Good morning. In our previous video, we have discussed about the first part of the lesson, two stories about flying. It gave us a moral lesson. In the same way, now we are going to discuss about the second part of this story, uh, a, the black aeroplane. In this story, the narrator is a pilot and he was he was flying his old Dakota aeroplane from France for England. He was he was actually from England and he wanted to reach London, um, London to his family by breakfast. He wanted to take breakfast or the enjoy the company of his family um, during the breakfast, and he wanted to spend his holiday with his family. वो काफ़ी खुश था कि आज उसको अपनी फैमिली के पास जाने का मौका मिल रहा है और अपनी फैमिली के साथ अपने परिवार अपने बच्चों के साथ वो बैठकर नाश्ता करना चाहता था और वो उनकी उनका साथ का मज़ा लेना चाहता था. He started his flight, he started his journey from France for England. The weather was very, very beautiful. The sky was fully starry. तारों से भरा हुआ आकाश था. चांद भी चमक रहा था. And he started his journey. He started his flight. He contacted Paris control room and he was instructed to take a turn of 12 degrees. And he did so. That time he was 150 kilometers away from Paris. And it was the time of 1:30 a.m. मीन्स रात के 1:30 बज रहे थे जिस समय उसने अपनी अपनी फ्लाइट को शुरू किया, अपनी यात्रा शुरू की. एंड ही केप्ट ऑन हिज जर्नी, अपनी यात्रा वो जारी रखा. वो कुछ दूर गया होगा, अपने एरोप्लेन को लेकर के गया होगा. द एरोप्लेन विच ही was flying, the name of that aeroplane was Dakota. That was an old aeroplane. And when he had he had crossed some distance, thereafter he finds himself amid the mountain of clouds, black clouds. And there was nothing which he could see. उसको कुछ भी नजर नहीं आ रहा था. चारों तरफ पूरा घना बादल छाया हुआ था. एंड ही फाइंड्स हिमसेल्फ इन ए वेरी एडवर्स सिचुएशन. बड़ी मुश्किल परिस्थिति में वो फंस गया था. मुश्किल परिस्थिति कौन सी आ गई थी? व्हाट वाज दैट डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन इन विच ही फाइंड्स हिमसेल्फ? दैट वाज दैट द fuel of his aeroplane came in a very least amount. It came in the position, the amount of petrol was so least that he could keep on his journey for only 5 to 10 minutes or less than it also. Besides that, his compass, radio, besides them, some other instruments began to be out of order. They failed. वो सारे काम करने बंद कर दिए. उसने पेरिस कंट्रोल रूम से कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश किया, लेकिन कांटेक्ट नहीं हो पाया. Now he finds himself as if he is about to reach in the jaw of death. मौत के जबड़े में पहुंचने के करीब वो पहुंच चुका था. और बिल्कुल अब उसको लग रहा था कि उसकी जिंदगी अब उसका साथ छोड़ने वाली है और मौत के करीब पहुंचने वाला. सडनली ही फाइंड्स ए plane, that was black aeroplane. From where it came, he could not try to think about it. But when he finds that an aeroplane was flying in front of him, and the pilot waved his hands and indicated to follow him, and he did so. The black aeroplane guided him, and when he came out of that mountain of clouds, then he took a long breath, a breath of rest. चैन की उसने सांस लिया. Thereafter, he find that some lights or red lights was blinking, and he understood that he was very close to any runway, and he took off his aeroplane on the runway, where he took off his aeroplane from where the control room was about 2 kilometers, and he reaches there. And there was a lady in the control room, and he asked her that besides his aeroplane, which aeroplane was flying in the aeroplane. उसके हवाई जहाज के अलावे और कौन सा हवाई जहाज उड़ रहा था आकाश में. उसकी इस बात को सुनकर वो लेडी हंस पड़ी. That lady laughed at him. He felt very amazed. Why she is laughing? Then the lady said, besides your aeroplane, there was no aeroplane in the sky because the weather was very worst. So no aeroplane flied in the sky. You were all alone in the sky. Then he was surprised to know about it, and he began to think that who came to save his life, who guided him, who helped him to be out of that trap of that mountain of clouds. Then he came to know that whoever came to help him, he should be thankful to him. And here the writer gives us a message that we should never lose our moral, we should never lose our confidence even in difficult situations. When we have lost, means we have started to go in the jaw of death, or we would ruin our life when we have lost our confidence. So here one thing that the writer wants to say: never lose your moral, never lose your confidence even in the difficult situation, because that is the only thing which will help you to get rid of that difficult situation, that miserable situation, that deathly some situation. So we can say that this is a mysterious story. It was mystery about the appearance of that black aeroplane, from where it came, who was in the aeroplane, who guided him to be uh, uh, out of that deathly some mountain of clouds. So here the writer, again and again, I am repeating you that the writer has given us a very, very important message. Be confident, be optimistic, which will lead your life towards the brightness, towards the uh, towards the safety, towards the destination where you want to reach. I think you have understood the story very well.